Hey guys, welcome to LinkedIn model. I'm happy to see you here. And this model, you will learn amazing stuff. Basically, you will learn how to use LinkedIn as a marketing tool to increase customers, increase your sales, and especially increase the relationship between you, your company, and your customers. I will show you here later in this model how to create ads on LinkedIn, and I will share with you also a $50 bonus that you can get for free just for signing for LinkedIn here on this model. So later on the model, when we are talking about ads, I have a special video for you showing you the instructions to get this $50 credit to use on your LinkedIn ads. Also, I'll show you how to create a profile. If you don't have a profile, we will create a company business page. So if you have a company and you don't have your company here on LinkedIn, we will create a page for your company so people will know about your company, about your products, about all the great ideas that you have. I'll show you how to create a super optimized LinkedIn profile in order to attract more followers and more connections to your account. You'll get your personal URL here on LinkedIn so people will know how to find you. Straight, just using a URL, we will create LinkedIn ads successfully, promoting your business, your ideas, and your products all over this network. And at the end, we will talk about the ads manager, analytics, how do you know if the ads are working or not. All that is coming here. I'm excited. I hope you are happy and excited too. Let's start this model right now.